Afternoon. This is Camber Kashaba, principal of Western Branch Middle School in Chesapeake, Virginia. We just had the beautiful Tomorrow Assembly today, and it was fantastic. What we were looking for was a positive message about not just anti-bullying, but let's speak in the affirmative, let's be nice, let's be kind, and that message came through loud and clear. It was very easy to schedule. We had two sessions. We had a 10 o'clock morning session and then an afternoon 1:45 session, each lasting about an hour and a half. What I enjoyed about it, there was music interspersed with positive messages, positive stories that our kids were totally enthralled with. So great message, something that I know was the most positive thing that I've done in my 6 years here, and I would absolutely do again, and if you don't do it, you're gonna be missing out on a special presentation.
I will have a beautiful tomorrow.